guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to create a thumbnail with your Cupcut. All you have to do is to install your Cupcut in Play Store. So please subscribe and also share this video to your friends. I'm going to show you my screen now. Follow all my steps. Let's go. First of all, see what you will do. You are going to download the background you want to use from Chrome or Opera Mini, any platform you want to download it from. You download it, just install it on your phone, and then you will press new project. This is the background that I downloaded from Chrome. So we're going to upload the background. Then the next thing you are going to do is press overlay. Press overlay. You select the picture you want to use as your thumbnail. Select the picture. Let me use this picture. Let me use this one. Then you are going to position the picture the way you want. The way you want the picture to be on your thumbnail. Position the picture the way you want it to be. Let me leave it here. Then the next thing you are going to do, just scroll. You will see remove background. You will see remove beach, which is remove background. Then press on it. Then you press auto remover. You see it. The background have been removed. Then you are going to add your text, your write up for the thumbnail. That's the next step we are going to do. Let's add our text. Let me use how to create a thumbnail. You press type. If you want to change color, you change the color of the letter. I think this one is good. Let me use this. You press good, the thing will be set. Then you add your text. Make sure you add your text. Add your text. You see it, I have add my text. See what you will do. Minimize, go to Chrome, then search for Cupcut logo. Cupcut logo. Select any logo you want. Then you download the logo. We are going to upload the logo for that thumbnail. We are back. See what you will do. Go back, then press overlay again for you to bring in the logo you downloaded from Chrome. Position it well. You see it. You see what I did? You see it. The next thing we are going to do, the next thing we are going to do, the next thing you are going to do is to screenshot, just screenshot the thumbnail you have created in Cupcut. Just screenshot it. Then you go back, go to your gallery. Go to your gallery. You will see the picture there. Then you are going to see what you do. Press group. Then you select, scroll down, you will see 16.9. Press on that one, which is YouTube thumbnail. You position it well the way you want it to be. It's not that hard. You see it. Then you press save. You see your thumbnail. It's not that hard to create. Thank you all.